Yeah. So we put out this guide for the Mandel 3.1 upgrade. As far as who this is for, it's basically for anyone running the node process, node in the EOS network, because the 3.1 release includes consensus upgrades. And when those are upgraded, any node in the network that is not upgraded to 3.1 will stop following the network. Their nodes will stop. So basically, anyone operating a node needs to be aware of this and should look at the guide to prepare for that upgrade. So we currently have released 3.1.0 RC2. We are very close to releasing 3.1.0, and with that, people can actually start upgrading. Obviously, others select group has upgraded to RC2 and has tested, but understandably, it's a small group that's trying to help with the development process. But when we have the stable release, that kind of opens it up to everyone to start their own upgrade process. So as far as how upgrades actually work, well, this is a bigger change where 3.1 is based on 2.0. And there are a lot of significant changes there, including some plugins that were previously deprecated for a long time that have finally been removed. There's state changes, which requires a snapshot to be used to upgrade the state file, basically. And there's a further complication as well, because of the fact that we're kind of moving away from Block 1's version of EOSIO, there's a further complication for anyone who's been operating an EOSIO 2.1 node. So as I said, Mandel 3.1 is based on 2.0, so it's a lot more straightforward if you're running 2.0 and you just want to upgrade to 3.1. As I said, you will need a snapshot, but other than that, your block logs and ship logs will work just fine. No complications there. If you are running EOSIO 2.1, or actually have even run EOSIO 2.1 at all on your data files, assuming you're not willing to just throw them all away, there are additional complications, and the guide kind of goes over it, so I will not go over it here. But make sure to read through that carefully, because you will not just be able to upgrade in a straightforward way from 2.1 to 3.1.